So hello everyone. Today I'm going to answer on a question which is very dangerous question. If we would not use any kind of sugar and salt in our food and if we would eat simple food, so what would happen and what would the changes happen in our body? So let's take an example of a real person. Like if I would not eat the sugar for a long time, so I would become a good person, a good healthiness, and also I would become a healthy person because in the sugar the sugar is known as a toxic. In the science, I have learned that in the sugar there is too much of chemicals which are harmful for our body and we should not use that. Because of that, most of the people are getting, you can say, diabetes and also things, bad teeth, and you can say bad teeth in their mouth because of the only thing sugar. If we would not eat sugar for our entire life, so we would become a good person and also our body would become a great person like a sigma, like you all like sigma, I know. So like a normal sigma. Second is that if we would not eat the salt for our entire life, so what would happen? So first thing is that if I would not eat the salt for our entire life, the answer is that I would die. Yes, the main answer is that in the starting, if I would not eat sugar for a little bit time, so I would get vomiting, dizziness, and many more things I would get. But after a long time, after months, after more time, I would suffer from a coma and also from that. But our question raises there, but the answer and our question raises there. The astronaut doesn't need any kind of salt and sugar in the space, so how do they live? So the answer is that they do not eat any kind of salt and sugar in the space, but they also eat, but in the another form. They eat the salt and sugar like in the liquid form. That's why they are able to live. If we would not able, if we would not eat the salt and sugar for a long time, if we would not eat particular salt, so we would die. But if we would eat the sugar, so also we would die. So the main thing is that we need to eat both of the things, but same time and in the balance side. Thank you for listening.